Hi everyone, welcome to Rama's kitchen. Now I am going to show how to make a stuffed lady's finger. Ingredients required to prepare stuffed lady's finger are lady's finger, garlic paste, chili powder, salt and oil. Coming to the procedure, first we have to make a slit on lady's finger. And we have to keep it aside. Now we have to take a bowl and we have to add the garlic paste. And next we have to add 2 tablespoons of chili powder. And next 2 tablespoons of salt. We have to mix all these well. Now we have to stuff lady's finger with this paste. After stuffing is done, now we have to fry it. Now we have to take a pan and we have to add 2 tablespoons of oil. And we have to wait until oil gets heated. Once the oil is heated, we have to fry it on a low flame. Now we have to turn it to other side and we have to wait for 2 minutes. Now again we have to turn it to other side and we have to wait for 2 minutes. Once it is totally fried, we have to switch off the flame and we have to take it into a plate. So the tasty and spicy stuffed lady's finger is ready. You can have it with rice, and thank you for watching this video.